I just found this. This chicken. Oh, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Excuse me? Excuse me? It's okay. Excuse me? Is there anybody home? Man, I just found this baby chicken. Excuse me? Is there anybody home? I don't think they're home. I see there's roosters right here. Man, our dog was attacking the chicken that came across our yard. It was just so random. I was outside, and I just scrolling on YouTube, and then Abby. Should I jump over the fence and just knock on the door?
Is your guys'? Found it in the yard, bro. My dog was chasing.
I thought you needed some tools or something.
Oh, no.
I'll put it right there though.